Nothing to do but move in. Beautiful 2-story rare 4-bedroom townhome in much sought after North Plainfields crossings at Wolf Creek Subdivision. Open living floor plan with laminate floors throughout, ceiling fan and complete with electric fireplace. Separate dining room area with ceiling fan, and sliding door access to outside patio. Contemporary kitchen with cherrywood cabinets, granite countertops, ample counter space, new dishwasher in 2022 and all kitchen appliances to be all included. Second level master bedroom with walk-in closet. Second spacious extra bedroom ready for any design scheme. 20 by 16 loft that has been converted into 2 additional bedrooms/den office with ceiling fans, closets and fully carpeted. Second floor laundry room with storage shelves, vinyl flooring and access to attic space above. Attached 2-car garage with opener and transmitter. Main level half bathroom, central air, new water heater in 2022, furnace cleaned and inspected last year in 2022, and newly surfaced driveway back exterior patio that open up to a spacious common area perfect for summer entertaining. This home has it all. Close to area schools and walking distance to community park, easy access to Route 59 and convenient shopping.